In this tutorial, we'll be looking at editing the church visitor card, which is purple and gold right now. We will be changing it to blue and silver. First thing we're going to do is show the guides and bleeds. So we go up to File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. Those are the guides that I've set up. And now we can see the ruler. So if we need to drag in another guide, we can do that. We go up to File, Settings, and we're gonna show print bleed. This is a part that will be cut off after the file is printed. As you can see, we have two pages, back and front, of this visitor card, or otherwise known as connect card. So let's go ahead and change the background color. We are gonna we're gonna sample a color from an image. I've got a blue image here. I'm just gonna click on it, make it a little smaller. I'm gonna sample these colors. Click on the background gradient. Gradient has two colors, a dark purple and a light purple. Click on the dark purple, and we see the photo colors right here. These are colors in the photos. We want this dark blue. Click on that, and we're gonna click change all to change all the shapes that has that color in the document. Change all. So now the back is changed and the front is changed. Next, we're gonna change the light purple. Click on that, and then we're gonna click on this light blue right here, and then change all. As you can see, it changed on the back also. We're gonna put a blue on this also. Click the same light blue and change all. Now we can delete the photo. As you can see, there's a purple shadow on the welcome home text, title text, that we can change. We're gonna click on effects, and the color node right here, we're gonna click on that, and now we can choose the dark blue. And now our shadow is blue. If you want to change this logo, you can always upload your logo and insert a frame. Click on elements, scroll down, and we see frames right here. We can click in a frame, and then we can drag our logo into that. So let's look for an image that we can use for logo. Let's go to photos. So we have a logo right here. We can drag into that box, and then we can resize it down to fit in that space. But I'm gonna leave the original, let it stay there, make it remain the way it was. Now if you want to change the color on this gold section, you can do that also, but notice that there's an image over the gradient. This you can move if you're having difficulty selecting the background. Just drag it, then you can replace it. With the bleed on, the image is not on the bleed, so I can click on here. So now we're going to change these gold colors to a light gray and dark gray. Simulate silver. Click on that, dark gray, change all. Click on the light yellow, click on the light gray, darker, it's fine, change all. So now all the gold is changed except for this one. So we can click on here, and we have a color up here, and we click on that, change all. So now we have the silver gradient looking good. We also have a purple shadow on this. We can go in and change that. Change that to blue. This one to blue also. This one to blue. If you want to change this yellow text, you can do that also. Click on the text, click on the color on the A right there, and we can change that to, say, let's go for a teal. That looks nice. And change all. So all the yellow text change to teal. And this right here, we're going to change that to blue. Get a dark blue on that. These right here, we can do dark blue also. Change all. So it stands out, have a better contrast. The logo that we have here, we can change the color on that. Click on the yellow, click on the dark blue or the teal. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if you're interested in this template, please see the link in the description. And until next time, have a good one.